Hi beavers, hi monkeys. So in the presentation before, we took the long E. It was E and E. E and A also make the sound E. So I can read. See, in read, it has EA in them and it's E words. So let's see the EA that makes the sound E words. Tea. Tea. She has a cup of tea. See. So this has a see has a meaning. Then the other word see, the one that we see with our eyes. See is the meaning of what? Yes, he can fish in the sea. So they have the same sound, but we write them differently, and they have the different meaning. Meal, meal. My mom will cook the meal. Meal is like lunch, dinner, breakfast. This is like a meal. Leak, leak. Let's see what leak means. The pipe has a leak. See the pipe when a little bit of water splashes out, it's leaking. Beat. Remember in the presentation, the EE, beet was a fruit, but this beet has also the same sound, but it has different letters and different meanings. The man can beat the drum. So the man, beat here means hitting, beat. So the man is hitting or beating the drum. Seal, seal. The gray seal will play. And that's it. So we have the E-A sounds and the E-E sounds. So you guys have a worksheet that you can divide the E sound, which is the E-E, and the E sound, which is the E-A sound. It's a little bit tricky, but I know you guys can do it. You are super. Enjoy and have a good day.